Alright guys, today I have the PowerBeats Pro. I'm going to do a quick unboxing and then I'm going to compare them to the AirPods Pro. And we're going to do a quick comparison and see which one you should get and why. They both are made by Apple, so you are paying for the brand and they both run the same price. However, where you buy them depends how much they're going to cost you. At Best Buy right now, the PowerBeats Pro will cost you $200. And the AirPods Pro, excuse me, will cost you $250. So let's get into it. As you can see here, we get actually a black lightning cable, which is cool, and we get white ear tips because I did get the white version. So put that to the side. Then here's the actual case itself. Now this is huge compared to the AirPods Pro, which is tiny. So definitely think about this when you are deciding what you want to carry. This will not fit in your pocket that great. This will. However, these are a lot easier to use when you see the size comparison. But when we open these up, these are very nice as well though. Yeah, those are pretty nice though. I mean, I like the color. And they kind of just snap back in here. Let's see. It's trolling me. I'm not familiar with these guys. Let's see. Okay, so it kind of looks like it needs to... We're gonna have, there we go. I was like, we're gonna have to edit that out. And then, very nice close. And there's your LED light. Very sorry for the non-focus. And then of course you're gonna charge it back there. Sorry, we got poor lighting here tonight. And then with the AirPods Pro, of course your LED light is in the front there and your lightning ports in the back. And your AirPods Pro are so tiny. These compared to these. Big size comparison. So obviously these are more for working out. I've had an issue with my AirPods Pro so far with working out. They have fallen out of my ear onto the gym floor. I've yet to try these, but I feel like these would not be an issue. I don't mind my awful nails. I have to get those off. At least they are cut. So yeah, I will go into in-depth with the comparison shortly. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the PowerBeats Pro and what they initially look like and how big this clamshell is. And it is pretty big, I must say. There we go. I got it. But it is hefty to carry around, but they are bigger. So let me know what you guys think down below and which one you got for Christmas or which one you're gonna choose. Thank you all for stopping by and have a great day.